Hello everyone, welcome to another Google AdSense tutorial video. Now today I will show you how to add Google AdSense to Google Sites. Now if you want to advertise and promote something on your Google Sites and pretty much earn money, well, you can do that by displaying Google AdSense ads, display ads on your Google site. Now, obviously, before we get started, we need to go into Google AdSense, right? So once you're in Google AdSense, you will need to visit your AdSense account. You can probably find it by going to Google AdSense online, navigate to ads, and then add units. This is going to be ads right here, and then you will see add units right here. Here you have a couple of units. You have display ads, in-feed ads, in-article ads, multiplex ads. So display ads is what we will be focusing on. Now, obviously, you can go to display ads, and this is the most used format. And what you can do is you can basically click on it, and then you will be brought to a page where you can actually go and you can basically see the ad yourself, and you can change the ad, you can change the responsiveness as well, and a lot of other things. This is basically how it's going to look like once you click on display ad. You can name your ad unit, you can add if it's square, horizontal, or vertical, or if it's responsive or not. Now, I would highly recommend that it is responsive if you're adding it to Google Sites. Now, all you have to do is click create, and what you will do is you will basically get a you'll basically get an HTML code that will look like just an HTML code. Then what you'll need to do is copy the code, go to the Google site, go to the embed, and here just go to embed code, paste the code here, click next, and you will have basically Google AdSense display ads on your Google sites. That's how easy it is. So if you have any questions or maybe comments, you can always comment down below. Feel free to do that. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.